Hello guys, and welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. This is the base box from April. Don't judge me, I'm still trying to catch up. But anyway, we've got some goodies here. It's actually a pretty smallish box. There's only 5 items in this one, which is kind of weird because usually even the base box has like 6 normally, but that's okay. So I will keep the info card here, and I will grab at random. So our first item is the OPV Beauty London Loose Setting Powder, and it's a translucent powder. It retails for $22, and perfect for setting your foundation or wearing alone. Whether you rely on setting powder to mattify, set, conceal, or diffuse, this formula acts as a finishing touch to bring your whole look together. I can always use more translucent powders, so that is lovely. Love that for me. This one I thought was kind of a joke until I looked at what it cost on here. So this is, where is it? The Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics, the Perfect Dual Foundation Travel Set. And this is $30, believe it or not. Just looking at it, I thought, oh, they cheaped out, but oh, no, they did not. So, a flawless finish that lasts all day begins with the right tools. The Perfect Dual by Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics is the essential foundation tool travel set, featuring Quick Beat, a latex-free foam beauty sponge with a unique sharp tip and flat edge, and mini base, an exclusive travel-size paddle-shaped synthetic brush with a shorter handle for even easier application. She's perfect for on-the-go glam. Both tools are key for smooth application that melts onto your skin. I can talk. Especially in hard-to-reach places. So I love that they totally made it look like a wrestling match or some shit. Like, it's so cute. I love the packaging on this. It's so damn cute. So, anyway. Let's stick that over here for now. We have from BeatleBabe the Pineapple Lip Scrub. I didn't even know they did lip scrubs. I knew they did those super, like, bougie, spendy lip balms. But, yeah, apparently they do lip scrubs too. There's $23 for one lip scrub. That's crazy. So, this rich, indulgent sugar scrub is packed with juicy pineapple fragrance and exfoliating sugarcane crystals to gently buff and polish away dead skin cells, plus an extra smoothing blend of the finest botanicals, the super hydrating coconut oil, and an aromatic mix of cinnamon, orange, and vanilla. Ooh, essential oils will leave your lips soft and supple. All of that sounds epic, and I cannot wait to try that. So then, from Studio Makeup, we have the Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum, and this is $45. I think that's the most expensive thing in this box, which is not surprising. The perfect serum for all ages. This highly concentrated hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum works to quickly reverse the effects of dehydration and loss of elasticity while keeping the skin highly moisturized throughout the day, leaving the skin looking radiant and youthful. Which I'm like, oh, heck yes. You know, I love me some hyaluronic acid in all my skincare anyway, but serums are, like, especially good. But that one sounds like it's gonna be extra, extra good. And then finally, and this was my choice item in this box. Let's get it out. From Beauty Bakery. This is the Sour You Doin' eyeshadow palette. This is $38, and these shades will make your eyes squint and then light up in surprise. Rich and bold, yet soft for those who want to be subtle. Sour You Doin' is perfect for spring looks, date night, or maybe even a holiday mixer. So I will pull this out to show you guys the colors. It's really cute. And since it does have a big ass mirror, I'm going to cover that with the box so it don't blind you guys. And then this is the shade range. It's really pretty, and yet at the same time surprisingly practical, even with that bright ass yellow. Like, I think there's a lot that could be done with these colors, and I'm pretty excited to try them. So the color names are Pink Lemonade, Sangria, Sweet, Refresher, Bellini, Tart, Chalktails, Sour, and Icy. So I'm like, ooh, okay. But yeah, I was actually really excited to see this pop up in there because I'd seen a lot of people talking about this palette all over the internet. So seeing it pop up as a choice item for Boxycharm, I was like, oh, yes, now get in my cart or get in my box. So the fact I got it before they got picked over, I was really happy because lately I have not had great luck with getting to the site fast enough when they open up choice, and usually the stuff I want is already picked over. So I'm glad that I did get this one though. But yeah, that is what I got in my April base box. Just a smallish box, but you know, quality over quantity. So anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe. Hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, until next time, see ya.